about this summer weather?
Are you finding yourself in the summer but freezing the 50 degrees weather?
Warm yourself up with our Warm & Handers hand warmers.
Our hand warmers are made with water and sodium carbonate.
When the solid carbonate bag is broken and dissolved in water, the chemical reaction releases energy to form heat. This means the reaction is exothermic.
When something is dissolved, it requires 3 steps. The first step is to separate particles of the solute from each other, which requires an input of energy, since each molecule is held together by IMFs. The second step is to separate particles of the solvent from each other, which, similarly to the solute, has IMFs holding them together and require an input of energy to break. The third step is to combine them, which separate solute and solvent particles to make molecules of solution. This step releases energy from particles colliding and bonding together.
Exothermic or endothermic is the difference between the magnitudes of energy input and output. If the reaction consumes more energy than it releases, it's endothermic. If it releases more than it consumes, it's exothermic. The differences in the amounts of energy are due to Coulombic attractions differing in the products and the reactant.
In this case, the Coulombic attractions are stronger in the products, either because the radii of the molecules are smaller or the charges of the molecules are bigger.
Research done by our top scientists proved that out of a plethora of salts tested, sodium carbonate produces the most energy for the lowest price, at 12 cents per gram, meaning that our heat warmers cost less to produce while providing the customers with the most heat.
Don't let our low prices fool you. Our hand warmers are made with some of the highest quality materials. Sodium carbonate is one of the safest salts we tested. It's found in many green cleaners, and it's even safe on the skin in small doses.
Sodium carbonate is a green ingredient that is naturally found in water and salt. Even the EPA recognizes its low effects on health when released in the environment, in small concentrations.
Mr. Andrews approves this message.